Hey there, everybody. What is going on? Sean here from the Zero to Income Directory Websites YouTube channel. How cool is that? If you want to look for us and find us quickly, it's at Directory Websites. Dana checked that out. It was available. We grabbed it. We blew us away that it was available. And so if you're looking for us and want to find us quickly, it's youtube.com/at Directory Websites. Now, if you're new here and you're wondering, what are we all about? Dana and I, we help small business owners and entrepreneurs learn how to build an income with directory websites. That's the focus of this particular channel. All right. And today we're going to explore Brilliant Directories. Brilliant Directories is the platform that we use for building all of our directory websites. Dana's got a number of them. He's used other platforms out there and he found Brilliant Directories and he loves it. All right. So if you are wanting to learn all about Brilliant Directories, you are in the right place. All right. So in my last video, I talked about what a directory website was. All right. So if you saw that, great. If you've missed it, you might want to go back and check that out and just get a general idea of what the heck a directory website is. All right. And that will give you all the ins and outs of that. All right. But that being said, let's jump in and let's talk about Brilliant Directories. Okay. So what is it? It's an all-in-one platform. Its main focus is all on building a directory website. All right. And it's got some key features that are built in that make it particularly suitable for your directory website. And again, that's the whole reason that it was built. And the whole focus of Brilliant Directories is to manage a directory website. All right. It's got predefined or pre-designed templates. All right, so it's got templates that are included, and these templates are pretty cool. They're nice templates. I've been very impressed with the templates that I've seen, and so it's very easy to get going right away with one of their templates. And again, most platforms have that kind of stuff, but I've just been really pleased with the templates that are built in. They have built-in membership management. All right, so you have everything you're going to need if you want to create a membership site with Brilliant Directories. It's built in. All right. Like all these other platforms, and you're obviously, the whole reason that you're watching this is to figure out how to make money with Brilliant Directories. And it obviously, in order to do that, you need payment site integration. So it has payment processing integration with things like Stripe and PayPal. It also has SEO tools built in so that your website is going to be more quickly found and searchable in a search engine. Okay. Um, Lastly, what I think is really cool is you can manage your email on Brilliant Directories. You can build a contact list, all right, and you can create newsletters and schedule them out. And so, really cool that you can include your contact list and email kind of marketing right there with Brilliant Directories. You don't have to go to other platforms. So now that you have some of the key kind of components that make up Brilliant Directories, you might be wondering, so again, why does Dana love this so much? Why is it this zero to income so gaga goo goo over Brilliant Directories? And here's the thing. It's easy to use. Like any other platform out there, there is a learning curve, but for the most part, it's easy to use. We like that. You can customize it. All right. So if you have a specific niche, it's very easy to go in and customize your directory website to that specific niche or to tweak it to your business needs. Right. The other beautiful thing about Brilliant Directories, and again, this is important, and that is their support team is awesome. All right. If you haven't seen it, Dana did a video on his support experience with Brilliant Directories. You can go check that out. I'll pop that into the card up above. It's called a card up above. So go check that out if you'd like to see Dana's kind of review of his kind of support experience. All right. So support, amazing. All right. So next, you might be kind of thinking, hey, how do I use Brilliant Directories to actually get an income? Well, there's a number of ways. One, you can use it and you can charge a membership fee. All right. So let's just say you have a site for counselors and you can say, would you like to be on my site and have a listing page that talks about all the types of counseling that you do, when you're available, where you're located, what your hours are. We can set you up on the site for $200 a year, or something like that. All right. So you can charge people to you can provide people a listing on the site for a fee, all right? Which is the same thing for people who have like businesses. You can list their businesses on there, and most of the time you can pull them in for free and have free listings, and then you can have multiple levels. All right, so you can have a bronze, silver, and gold levels, and each level has more bells and whistles than the previous level. All right, and so you would make money on providing different membership levels or listing levels, right? Um, you could also provide leads. All right. So if I'm coming to a site and I'm looking for a counselor, uh, and I could have a form capture that says, "Hey, I'm in San Diego County. I'm looking for a counselor that is someone that handles anxiety and someone that's available Monday, Wednesday, Friday." And I could have like a capture form, and then I could use that. When I say I, as the membership directory owner, could then use that information and send that to different companies in San Diego County and say, hey, we just had this qualified lead. This is what they're looking for. And you can sell that lead to them. Okay. So that's another way of doing it, or another way of generating income with your directory website. Another way of generating income with your Brilliant Directories website, you could have advertising space. I'm not a big fan of advertising space because if you have Google ads all over the place, it's distracting, but that you could do as well. So the last thing you could do is affiliate marketing. All right. So you could be an affiliate for different products that are associated with your niche. Like Dana and I, we're affiliates for Brilliant Directories. You could have a counseling website and you could be an affiliate for books on Amazon. All right, you could have an Amazon affiliate account, and you could have counseling books for those people who don't want to go and hire a counselor. Um, they could go through the book section or the resources section, and each one of those links could be an affiliate link to a product. Okay, so you could use your site for that. Okay, so those are different ways of generating income from your Brilliant Directories website. Now, you might be wondering, what does a Brilliant Directories website look like? All right, so let's jump over and take a peek at this. Um, one of Dana's main sites is loghome.net. All right, so here he's got loghome.net. If you're looking for a specific log home builder or manufacturer or information, you pop in your city or zip code, you do a search now, and all the resources are going to come up. And this would be an example of a Brilliant Directories website for log homes. Okay. Uh, we were talking about different levels. Okay. These are videos. Each of these videos could be for a specific company on loghome.net, and you can charge extra. The silver level could be you could have 3 videos. The gold level could be you could have 5 videos. All right. So and then the videos would pop in here, and then when someone clicks on them, the information for that particular company that owns this particular video would be available. All right. So it gives them some more visibility on your directory website. This is another example. This is Maine Vacations. Again, this is another website that Dana owns and has been working on. If you're looking to go to the state of Maine and want to take a vacation, this site has everything you need to plan your next vacation to the state of Maine. How cool is that? All right. Another one that he's been working on is the loghomeplans.com. All right. So if you're looking for a log home plan, you can go to loghomeplans.com, and Dana's got a whole list of different log home plans that you can check out and purchase. All right. So those are some real life examples of Brilliant Directories website. Again, we use them. We also have Canadian Vacations. It's kind of a spin-off of Maine Vacations. That's really rough around the edges. We're going to be using that for actual videos on this channel, but we have that as well that we're going to be building out. All right, so there you go. You've got real life examples. You've got an idea now of what Brilliant Directories is, what you can do with Brilliant Directories, and just how amazing it is. All right, again, Dana and I are affiliates for Brilliant Directories. If you watch this video and you want to get started and you would like to use our affiliate link, it is down below. If you decide no, you don't want to use it, that's fine too. But our affiliate link is down below. If you use the coupon code 02income, all caps, gives you 30% off. All right. So that's all down below. And that's it for today, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.